Tunazimba tukakondwa sasire muno habwa pita musajja engozi abantu pita musajja wa hano omugweta wa hano wekyalo kyona omusajja bali alaba hano naita hano buli mwetaye omuntu hano alamu nagenda nagana mugume tuliyo mutawuni tukora tukatubala hano sawa kabasida muno tabene kwatanga yeke aboti nyangoma mori nas tekumanya nyangoma ogo na pita weno saga mangu pita musaija nas mori mukazi omweke muno wene wete mori nas pasaba kino kabekyalo kanyoka chairman muongere kumanya abantu ba hano ondwa ndio watu sasa mbona wafika kufa omusajja baina amanya
bale gonze ke ogera kumanyira abantu ekyo sumbwanga ijo so abuyira muno
in charge of kitchen Gorora Barawa Meza, Halo Kama Bogemeza, Edi.
Kali kongera leki unaijaga kongera mtagira mbusi bila kando kabili
Nama sasa na wapu kakijura Nabapurata State Division Nama nabapurata Municipality Kinisa Kura abandi baruke kijura baruke kande abantu abakozi ba government civil servants bali hano abasuubuzi bali hano
Afoko kumbe ikimayo msaje wa rugio kwenda kutana challenge zizi Sando kuni robudi kwanza ataandika ya kutandika na kreki ya fuidi na wewe kusaba tu agenda kwa ukagaruko mumaka Empresa zino mumaka Mwena kwa kamera muli mukaza kali hanu muli musajja kali hanu aina preso omwe hanu
esobi ebaro yeteriya
babo kwa sanga ina wasajja na family yawe na wekyo nyona kwenda kubasimba mwebale kuja kuzinga nyonye mbere yano mtingi ameya atasubire kubaho kyoka bwe birimo ya government baito mubyona kwenda kusasira bazira mugume kiro tikirano honka kiriona hona kandi itwenda bakali hano nuko mwana tukujja kubantu babamu ebigambo ebyo bingi muno runde bike kansabe mukama tiga amweke umuleke
basi tufuyo kandi daktari waitu mahano kunoti tunabyogamba akatuitakanyizire nako kwija kukwatsa muhara wange obuzara stela baraba hayi ajambuko
speech yakasumba hano baraba kole yemuramu sigere byanyi
hati kabalega ndiyo era flowa abantu abayo messages za abayimupizi nule bakutaje tuina kuyaketa
kuko kusendekereza enganjani yaitu mwene waitu menta waitu abamuisa waitu mu professional yitukoramu konka mujja kunyikiriza akaire kano mpayo rubazo waitu on behalf of abana basomere Kabale GSS hari mugenzi waitu na Twairwe hari nawe yasomeire yarugire genda kusoma ibyo badaktari byasomere so abamerire hano bali aba basobole kuba hana bwire buno abasomeire kabalega niyana abandi bali mu wanda bakwija so kama desome message no nkobweri then bwendani malira ya kubasaba abo kwekitinisa mubiri go mugenzi waitu tujya kusina ikizina icya school anthem ya kabalega kanhire mu kijuga go kwanyana mukwereza niko cyagamba so message nja kusoma nkobwe kale mu Rujungu. The family of late Mr. Tigambirwa Peter Kitonozi Masindi condolence message Neruga Kabalega Secondary School Old Boys Association Kasoba. The fraternity of Kabalega Secondary School Old Boys Association have learned of the sudden and untimely death of our dear old boy Mr. Tigambirwa Peter, which occurred on Saturday 11th July 2020 in Masindi. The late Tiga, in quotes, as we fondly abbreviated his name, went to the school from 1994 to 1996, and while at the school he also served as a dining hall prefect. We remember him as a school-headed gentleman who was very friendly and mature in thinking. After completion of his studies, he went on to serve humanity as the district laboratory focal person of Masindi District Local Government, delivering health services in fulfillment of our school motto, I learn to serve. We shall continue to pray that God strengthens his family, relatives, friends. During this difficult moment, kindly accept the deepest and heartfelt condolences from his fellow old boys, hereby accompanied by a contribution of cash at the moment of 850,000 shillings as a token towards the expenses. May God bless his soul in eternal peace. Abacha person waitu asubira kuba hano yonka yasomwa Daniel Bagambe madaktari ya kukire ndio kuserviza aya aheleza Masindi District Government but at the moment ningia side the ministry oko waitu ebindi nasanga God the symbol of progress. God bless our school and precious name. We love to see shining stars make us successful and grateful.
Nabwekyo tukunire abagizansone kandi abana bekeno bagambire mureke intebezo muyiruke mu mpora ushane kagenda gukora kiko kongera arekyo ko ebisya balize kongera harekyo tukusaba geyi abakwikaza ngo kutangira tukora CDO Masindi Local District nabayizire wina Victor Bakota kandi toro mukuru kusaba keko haraya muno umukuru haraya muno so balisaba batadi Ati tugaruraho District Environmental Officer Estoina One word hug to the bereaved family. Reference condolence message. We are saddened by the loss of Peter Tigambirwa, who was part of founding member of Masindi Kitana Medical Center. He will be truly missed and we will include him in our daily prayer. Our deepest sympathies go out to the entire family and medical fraternity of Masindi and staff of medical Masindi District Local Government.
Mukoro guno usendekerezo mubiri kwa mugenzi wa Peter nekizina kichikumi kinana na bitano ambija kuwasaba utwatuli mu kanisa leka ichwe na tuhondere bilagire bye kanisa tugamba kwemera kwataniriza mtu emere Mukama abaho omugisa.
Muraba ali Mutagwa. Excuse me. Okay, bagenda awo. Excuse me. Tumfu wakati kamulekere. Bakuleta mfu wakati na wakuija.
Mukama abaho omugisa.
Okay. Reverend, I think ekyawalize abagenda gakwa kuba speeches oli bongo mini Isaac tuinawo omusajja wa FDC mayiro ibiri nawo arohawo Kanyamo batunge entebe nabo. So mbati kubaliza tugenda genda maiso na program kandi benisaba bula akwita kuba twaza mu butumwa buwe tugenda maiso n'embazo embazo nja kusaba mugize na ife bayima ba MC
Bw'abiri ntayito muri emyaka 28 tukyali mu lower secondary. Aikaireho n'ekizibu eky'omutima kimutwaireho omwanya mwingi kiro kimu akangambira kizibu kino akakitungaho nakyalina ise nakyali mu secondary kyonka kizibu kino kigeze nikikora ki nikikura nawe nakura okwo kandugeyo. Kiro kya mukaaga zikaba saha tugenda mu saha 5 can be very exact zikaba saha 4 edakika 4 nkatunga esimu kuruga omumaka g'omugenzi kyonka nimbaza n'omwana muto yangamba ijomuka kyonka yabalizi yanchwaho so namanya okunyetera kisazini nayangu anka batali harayira kunyayikireyo nkasanga kiga agwire hakitabo kyonka ina mekintu kyokwiritira so twakoze twarura mulingo turamuyaho naho mutwala mwirwalo omudakika nka 10 zaziri zingi muno twatunga mulingo tukumutwara twamuhikya hayirwaro ya Dr. Mbabazi. Dr. Gamba mugem bazen koleki mukerere obyarugire yakarukena tugamuntu omulesera kozereki agenzireyo kyonka nikisoboka nti notatu bamuhiro muka tumanyi tutwara omulwaire kikusoboka nti akaba amazire kola on behalf of his classmates. Some of them are here. They are not the patient, but also friends. Sasire muno.
Ebyo atwaire brief account how omugenzi mulinga yakwasibwe kandi action kano ni saba omukirisa kingi n'obwebundazi for our departed friend Peter. Hati akusimikano munyikirize n'obwebundazi bwingi nyete alugonzebwa district health officer kado ntakutuma kwebaliza wenka
protocol observed. Takabiri kubaza urubazo rwange nja kusaba all health workers abali hano mujye tube hamwe n'abarugira ministry na kusabire bona allied nurses medical MC kama join us burungi baitu tugenda kwikiriza nyonja kusemba mukubaza twinarugira ministry okuba omugenzi abenakora naitwe bakitwigira council zaidi ya kute kubaze no tayitwa ministry nja kusemba ino tugenda kora tutyo mwebale muno kwija. Wale mno kama wange jecho Salama Patrick kwa miaka jioni ile kai 11 kajimana savinga Masjid government hamuna mugenzi wange atwaire Peter tulibangi hano abapita actually ya supervising ile ntutali ben buri sakiri ya ndongo nja kusaba buri kiri ya ndongo mumto mkono those come from Kyanango district as colleagues. Okay. DLFP wa Chiliandongo nuogo akola mchikaro kia Peter Chiliandongo amna chaye. So utajuningira Masindel government Peter akawa mnyanua bakila atu ikiona kituli hati ya huile vunu isipoza Peter president akura labaute fraternity yona mu Uganda. Mr. Biagame Paul, you are most welcome to Masindi. Thank you for coming to join us as we send off our senior colleague. Njakusama mazemo hoa kazi ndaraji atuwalizona.
The widow, the children and the bereaved family. Now we send our condolence to the loss of our colleague, Peter. Peter has been a very strong person under our fraternity. And on behalf of all medical laboratory professionals in the country, I would like to read our condolence message session. Condolence message to the bereaved family of the late Peter. The Uganda Medical Laboratory Technology Association has with great sadness learned of the untimely death of the late Peter, a laboratorian and a strong member of Umelata, which occurred suddenly as a result of heart attack, which happened on Saturday morning, 11th July 2020. We in Umelata knew him closely, and we are still trying to come to terms with this sad, tragic news. We have known Peter for many years, and we are devastated to learn of his passing on. Our hearts are saddened by your loss, and our thoughts and prayers are with you. Peter was a strong man, always very focused and determined. He was a great laboratorian, full of life, gentle and smart. He was instrumental in mainstreaming in laboratory profession, and he always promoted, safeguarded and protected the professional aims, interests, welfare and aspiration of members. Peter was passionate about his work, God-fearing, self-established, motivated, and he promoted and maintained high standards of professional integrity of medical laboratory professionals in Uganda as one of the senior district laboratory focal persons in the country. Our heartfelt condolences go out to the widow, children, and bereaved family of Peter in this difficult time. And we also pray that may the Almighty God strengthen you. We have lost a great champion in laboratory and diagnostic medicine, a wonderful person, and a dear friend. You are gone from our sight, but never from our hearts. Going to give our condolence to the widow, the sum of 2 million cash, and we are still collecting more finances to support the family.
At this sudden moment, as we mourn our dear colleague and friend and brother, and they have sent me a cash of 200,000 shillings, which all we are going to sum up for the laboratory fraternity.
Omuntu atukali mwomezi tuba nobwiro kurowadinga omuntu akali mwomezi tukabwire n'otwantu bibaza omuntu amaze kutufaho nyagambire with the time kiteke tusalake rundo kiteke mulingo twakikoraga amazima agati kubagamba tukuba twaiso omuntu afuira bena tukule kirungi twene mulingo twasolaga kurowadinga omuntu akali mwomezi.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is on a sad note that we are gathered here today, and I'm here representing the laboratory fraternity of Masindi district. I'm Daniel Aluko, lab manager, Masindi Hospital. Peter was one of our staffs at the district and director at the Masindi Hospital. We are literally left like orphan. He was a father to all of us, and my colleagues said we should present this message, which is on behalf of the whole fraternity. Dated 13th July 2020, to the family of the late Peter Tigambirwa. Reference, condolence message. It goes, the laboratory fraternity of Masindi district is deeply saddened by the untimely loss of our colleague, Peter Tigambirwa, and we wish to extend our deepest sympathy to the family and friends. Peter has been very instrumental in the delivery of laboratory services in the district. He has been a mentor who always was proud of his team, and the team he worked with, he was so proud of them. And let me quote his words. This is what he would say. One should not always talk because this Peter is away. I've mentored all of you. I've built capacity while delegating. Those were his words. Such a leader. Work wouldn't stop just because he has gone away. He labored to mentor all of us, and we shall dearly miss him. Your impact in our lives and professionalism is immeasurable. What a great loss to Masindi district, Hoima as a region, and the nation at large. May the good Lord provide comfort to the bereaved family.
Ansabire nyemere maiso ganyu kandi nsobole kubaza mu ibara lye. Okwenda kukusasa kwange n'okusasa kw'abakozi omugenzi babeire nakola nabo, the technical staff, habwa okutwalwa kwa mugenzi waitu Peter. Peter abaire muntu mulungi muno kandi tugenda kuba etumumisinga akabandiko bagambire. Omugenzi ono tukaba nawe tukasiiba nawe mu lukulate kiro kya kusatu. Olukulate lukatandika saa nkayina balulugamu saa 12 za lwebali. Peter nahanula kurungi, Peter ali mu mbeera nungi, atalowa tukona akakwolekya intwe kiro kya leero tuli bahanu etumusendekereza. So kikaija bwijja kandi ekaba nkuba, but ejo nekaba ntekanze mukama fina chochukura. Chief Administrative Officer Timurujungu, with profound shock of the sudden death of our colleague and employee Tigambirwa Peter, who has been a laboratory technician. On behalf of Masindi local government staff and on my own behalf, I wish to convey our sincere condolences to the bereaved family, relatives and friends. We pray that God the Almighty gives you strength, courage and hope during this trying moment. The deceased has been in service of Masindi local government for the last 18 years, since 24th July 2002, and has been a dedicated, honest and hard-working staff whose services will greatly be missed by all. In his record of service, the deceased has served in different capacities in the health sector. He was assigned the duties of a laboratory focal point person, an assignment he held up to his demise. Last month, the late was again assigned the duties of disease surveillance focal person, in addition to holding assignments for TB and HIV/AIDS that he had previously held. The officer was always available for work at all times, and he would sometimes work beyond official hours. In fact, the DHO was informing us that on the day before, that was on Friday, they were in office up to 10 p.m. And on the following day, at 10 a.m., almost 11 a.m., we got the bad news or the shocking news about his demise. As his workmates and colleagues, we respect God's will in taking our colleague. He has been separated from the public service under pensionable circumstances. I therefore appeal to the family members for guidance on how to access his benefits. Masen District Local Government has again made a contribution. I think the district chairman will give us the details on that. Barrier arrangements, but at least the chairman will officially communicate how much has been contributed by the district. And this condolence message is signed by the Chief Administrative Officer, Dyson Ikamukasa. Thank you very much for listening to me. May the soul of the deceased rest in eternal peace. Which I wanted to hand over maybe to one of the family members. We have been guided that Maureen should receive this contribution on behalf of the family members. But you can deliver it. Kana mukaga ne 13
abembezi ba gavumenti bagenzi bange mu biti bikwawukana n'aba bakunihira kwesimbaho bacha personnel C1 abaziki nabeke nabarugirweho enganyani ya Peter nabunkwiziro biro bugenzere akiri kubalize dakike mwali Peter akwa Peter kamanya ninki asoma mu secondary Masesco ali neiba wange ali primary twakorohamu ali muto wange kantu akia twaitana medical twakora ebintu program ezikwisana katibi cup ndibulisa DHO wali hanu so ko muntu kanu mnyano wekene mudakika emiyo mpairi jakose mune kichweka Peter otukubaza ho tugenda kuzika kya lero mumbalize ebintu bingi kandi byona mazima baito ekintu ekikuru muno hali Peter abakozi bona baroho beti Peter we ali muntu akubanza koro mulimo esente zirahondera mulimo abandi babanza kuserura esente nibo bakole iki kisembo tikikira kukanya mu bakozi chwena abali mu government kandi Peter abantu bandu bagani bagamba government warafa bajja kuteka honda betra ijukanti busaho muntu asobora kukora akaisanisiza nko muntu ndi buli muntu ata different buli muntu wena munsi akahangwa ali different so ebikorwa nenkora ya Peter egerugiro kimute kuyagarukaho mkyo kurantu sasa nekenu government intu sasa abe bitongole byona ni basasa abo kurumutindo ukwensiyo akwana wabera ali local focal person wa laboratory mu Masindi district atekyo atuflekira kabali ko kungambira abakozi bona bahokana kuranta abakozi twasobora kuyungura mu kyora kuranta ebintu bya Peter akulira ngero heriyo bahasa entoito asigairo balance emitwaro nkaga na mukaga na 13 na rukaga esente zindi zona zikozere baitu mtoto bize milioni 3 emitwaro mukaga na 13 na rukaga.
I am called Edwin Muzahura and I am the CEO of Net Worth Consult, and I am with my colleagues here from Net Worth Consult and China Railway Construction number 5, as you can see them here, and I'll speak on behalf of the two organizations, China Railway number 5 Construction Company and Net Worth Consult. Tinkwija kubaza Runyoro because I can't speak Runyoro, a lot of it. Peter Bakonzin and Yateni. Now, I am a bit saddened and extremely shocked, but very happy to see all of you here coming to send away a man I got to know about 2 months ago. But the impact of our interaction was profound. I was told about Peter when my colleagues met him and said he would help us do some role. As a matter of fact, he has been our team leader on our project, which is on Chigumba Burima Road project. He has been our team leader for nominated service provision by the government of Uganda under Uganda National Roads Authority. My first engagement with him told me a few things. He was a man of noble character. He has been a man of his word. Peter, a dog was a dog, a pig was a pig, not somehow looking like the other. And I liked that immediately I saw him. So when my colleagues said we should hire him, I was pleasantly in acceptance, because he's a man who not only was knowledgeable about what he was doing, but very careful with whatever he did. I got to know that he had a sense of perfection and wanted things to be done with excellence, and that's why I had to drive. I have never driven from Kampala to Masindi in 2 hours, but I am able to do it today because I had to make sure that I send off Peter. I don't know why. Maybe God has an answer. Very good people die quickly. If they say so and so is a good man, so and so is a man of excellence, so and so is an excellently hard-working man, where do you find people corrupt?
And virtues Peter stood for. I have been told what killed him. If the family, and this is on behalf of China Rail No. 5 Construction Company and Net Worth Consult, we are making a cash contribution of 760,000.
Kale leka tulaze tutekaniriza okusabira omwoyo gwa mugenyi. Luka neongire iwe Mukama onyirize, Mukama onyirize, neongire iwe Yesu, Mukama onyirize. Busabonomo aguseseka
anapingiza nyowe ni warabapira lyomera anawena nyakumera na kiriza nyowe kalifa ebiro byona anyete omucunguzi wange ikaraho kandi talyemera hansi hampero kandi olwo omubiri gwange lukamala okuhwerekera wekatala omubiri gwange ndulwa ruhanga obundiraha bwange emiso mingi galirora kumpalondi ayete kintu omunsi nanti kisoboka
naye watakahangire nide ebintu singebona niwe ruhanga. Myaka 10 omaiso gawe ekyo ekingwireho kandi kekisimuka ekyekiro obatwara kimunka omugezi balinko otulo nyenkya balinko obunyansi obwaruka nyenkya bwaruka kumera olwo bagya obutemwa kuhotoka bajja kinika kyawe kitutuntuza kandi okubirwa kwawe tukutuntuza okatebya okusabya itu omaiso gawe ebibi byaitu ebyensita omusana gwa maiso gawe baitu ebiro byaitu byona bihinguraho bw'ekiniga kyawe emyaka yaitu ewabo tekitekerezo ebiro by'emyaka yaitu y'emyaka ensanju rundo bw'amaani ekakinana baitu emihembo yayo nukwo okutalibana n'okutuntula kwonka baitu obwabo bwangu naitwe tuhera nohamanyire amaana g'ekiniga kyawe n'okubirwa kwawe kokosemeriire okutiinwa otwegese okubala tuta ebiro byaitu nkotunga omutuma okw'amagezi
Yesu Kristo mwana mwenka mukama waitu akaija munda bw'omwoyo alukwera kazala Mariamu Isikaikiri asaliza olumira Pontio Pilato akabambwa musalaba akafa yaziikwa akasirimuka okuzima mu bafu amusala akasala kamuluka mu bafu akatemba mu iguru akalira mukono ogwegalanga isiito osobozi bwona n'olugera naija okutwera omusanga bw'obezi n'abafu ninyigiriza omwoyo alukwera ekkanisa enkatolika erukwera okuteera n'akaba lukwera okuganyirwa kw'ebibi okumbuka kw'omubiri bw'omezi obutali waaho amin nakyo mutugwaho abantu balungi nk'abantu saasa mukimanyire kimu nga onanka omugezi Peter hano tuli Kikobwa Church of Uganda hansi ya Kitono's Parish hano omutebezi wa Kikobwa aliwo hano amen nomunaba y'ombyaka kanywa ekufa kwe ng'omuheereza nkaleka kuhabuuza banga omusajja bairi w'amaanyi kandi akanisa Kikobwa alekereho omukono ikyo nkabaheereza ekyo nakyo kitusemeza kandi bombeka aliwo hano nahasangirweyo ekyo tukisimira Ruhanga ngwe emirimo etukukora hansi hano emirungi tukwijagana nayo maiso goha ga Ruhanga munyikirize kandi tangirira bahereza bagenzi bange
nyenda obwire butusange kandi tutwale obwire kandi tumanyire kiragire kire kitugamba bwanguzika nyendezege mbanze tusabise ndozere njurane but I'm going to allow you to speak after bundabaze kyange kinge nakubaza ekikuba bulu kyongo twabaho muzinda kubesengereza embazo mundarura zagenda kikire sinkutekereza ngo zikwetagisa zibazibwe tonireke Tinkwenda kigarukamo ebibula begenda gamba ngu tikikwetaaga kubanza kubateerera lyerujunga gambe there is no need to write to you brothers and sisters about the times and the occasions when these things will happen. Obalabana asobola kufa atyo abeera aliwo ebyobwomezi n'asobola ibonera okwejanjaba iwe niwooha atamanyire nakajuma ka aspirin bakakozesa bati oterera okunire ki muno obakoyeza akajuma ka aspirin ogamba akundakira kumira bibiri tibukumala mpunira kamire butaano nukonyango hekoraki bekola abaira bimanyire all that kyonka nabakozereka firo mu bwangu nolwekyo nga njalizanga okufa okulaba kuloho we don't need to keep on telling you ngu mwegendereze mumanye kike kiro ekyange ekikulu nikyokweteekaniza mukama simu ikalo sibire emigugu yawe gyogisiba oti oikala kisibire niko gyotakwetaaga obiyemu alafu tusibire emigugu etakoraki etakutukasiba and the time ulikama aliba Ruhanga agambira kutwala emigugu egyo nekyakulemesa n'okutaaha igulu abuka tugenda kwika station aliba kyekinga kinolesere kyaki kikikwetagisa garurayo obwire nibukulekako obwire butulima mu nsi muno buli bwokeeyaki emigugu tandika osibe ekyokwetaaga ekikumataringa obwomezi bwabo obwolababayo omanyire osibire enobi egyo tayisa tegenda kugasira mu igulu obugala kandi babaini batugambira nga abakozi bandi badenda babanze sente mu maiso gora abo bayo sibire ebyo taisa tandika kubanza omulimo nubwo gukulu amina utagenda gakule mu ikulu awadi niyo tukwetagiza mtu abana abo balisoma tukahura ngo nabo bapokere bamani ba doctor tukayise wabo ko kwabaire wabo abalekera tabamalirize nto tukabamalira ruhangali tuhereza mugisa and everybody will be happy muikare kandi mukama bagunya God will take care of you na district ejja kukwata abo kuba basasire muno mukozi wabo akozere kulungi tumusasire tusomesa abana mukama abaho mugisa tutagira abana bayitinywe na bayizire hano mkoro Dr. Florence obabo
babo ijja kwegabamu ekizina abo bwire sevingo time habwembazo aliho vice akumu others union kubasasira muno kusawa mugume ekibaire ntegeka ya ruhanga kana kitule hamu na yewe mukusasa kuno
habwo Peter nkamumanya because of him omwaka gwekienda n'etaano ali Kabalega secondary ono bamweta namuleta go wange ndi Kabalega primary ninyegese ntamanyire ingo Peter ibara bakanywaine yaija kwenda kukolera kimye byabanyoro ngo munji ya mnyana wa togerera nyonyire mukono akora mwadimini she's here kandi embera yali mu I think we need to pray for her abokuba amulekere asubire ekyo kirugiro Peter akenda kwijo wange kweranga nikyo kusabire kiganyiro akantumira mu Rwanda ha nyamugamba Peter to kwijo wange nyowe obunkaba ninja kuswera omukazi wa kabiri nkabanza kusemeza omukazi we kubanza yake oyitokoleki baga ukabantumira yayimuka yayijo wanze bintu nyamugamba nkakugamba gendo banzo semeze ogaruko semeze na wakibale nkaba very serious. I was very sincere nyagamba tokora omwisiki yatabu akamutandika ali masesiko. I am very sorry and that is how I am because the kid utakiende ni ntamanyire ngo mukame bitu birekoraki na bikorere yubi nakibaina na project ko ali bakulimira baine bintu bingi nebindi nibyo tuleserege kuno muikale murole kumukusotinga bintu byanyu because I will not be so wange
andi eke bamanyire era bamaze kutwarwa abomukano nubambikire na ijana timu na nyina wabu na nyina enkuru na chia person LC1 owe kyaro wakubatwara mwijana waitu Uganda abana banyu nubanu mama wabana ijana
barugirenka
Kagadi bugire Kagadi mu sub county ampefu kukodaringa na Lake Albert ono mwana muihwa wange akuzarwa munyanyazi ngaba chairperson LC3 gwa mpefu akaba secretary wange yamburaho yejama sinda ukijura kumaro mwezi kuone sima gihireho bunyamutayanga amafundo muri mukijura kandetera so bana ba Peter Kigambwa Morin kandi babaye bakoze programu eyo kwija no kutabara abana umwana umurimo sabadiko ni yakibazaho mugutandikireho umwana gutwizira arwire na hati miliyoni mu mujanjaba nebyo kangarukira hano baitu
kandi nowe ise umufati kandi mufati yoisi aba yowe nabara gangi banyatamayanja Milton Muka nikarakiena na mkolosi wangu ono itwe abakura na bakura baka natuicha obujuni bwengi bwokuvika no kusasa hali omunyanya waitu kandi omuhara waitu habukurugumyaga 25 n'abana abazairano kandi abazira mukubamo kumanya kurungi mukazi wanyu no murahamte yanjurire bayititwa bakura tugamba ubusinge hari mwana waitu ebirungi bijyanyuma itwe abazira bagamba bazira bayitito twabahaire batakoleki batazire omukuru mugorosi tujja kusobola kubaza ekigambo tukubaza kitiito kimu kyonka nti omukufa kw'omugenzi nanyonka kimanya baire munywani wange nangambira karwara omutima akampawo n'amagezi n'omugenzi gyendi kasanga kibanga mangende ngende omulwaro nti hanyuma eyokukanga mulumbi kiro kyokukangamu tujja kugamba kiro kyaleero tumazire kuziika habwokuba ebiragiro ebya gavumenti bijja kuba nebitukwata tukusaba tubeho na miitingi nayenywe omukiro ekyo kyokukangamu abaana bano olugali itwena tubahereza katusobwere kubaha nokuba batandikira aho n'abekika baratandikira aho
Nimesema muno abanywanyi be babaye nakora nabo. We did know that we had other children out, but we want to welcome them.
Mukuganyire tukujja agenda kuziika mu njula mulinde ekye nuko mutwire mugwa embazo bagende ku maiso
kibaindu basima kuja hano inywena batukire ku lugaidu kuga kyamukaaga dadiwe yakwire tubasima muno tubasima muno kuba tubaige takinira nokinira kyonka tukusima district bona batwirukirire nabawe nakufuna mwebale muno n'abaana bayizire mukayinzi mwije muka basima muno amabala ninyabi teganiza pita baye msiri yako.
Please, we are still learning. Kiambe mtukwatiro. Because my dad was like, we should all study. He just a lot with me. But she lied me and he has left us. Please, we want to study. All of us. Be from which side of our children of Masindi, Kivale, where we can't tell. But we need to study. Please, we want to study.
Sona okubaza kunu tenyina obusinge obukumara bagwirire bugwala tukwenda kubaza abo kuba tusasire muno kila muno ali halunu onu batufunekize mwasaulo bafokere uruganda
mwibale muno okutwirukira mukolege mutyo kanu kali akabaruha kataito muno mujja kufuura ekihandiko okuruga hali ombazira hali nyineka jugujugu 13 ogw'omusanju 2020 hanu omunyoro abitekaniza Abel akaba nazaara mukama Ruhanga akamuha oruzaaro akazaara abaana ombakyara abarukwawukana hati na hati obwira buno akaba amugarukire omubigere rondi abayire nkaise abaana abanyakoroho arugireho hati tugenda okukora tuta omugenzi Abel abitekaniza akaba nazarwa nabagenzi be abandi nkomugenzi musinguzi mukabane mumanya nakora omuherese bukyanagani hamu kabalimu kasangaki ahamu nasande na wakahumura emirimo eyensi hahuira bunu haroho kyaligonza Darison bona abagenzi bakahumura bona bakabani bazarwa omukaikuru Adereda Nyangoma. Anti Kyaligonza Dalison ahamu na mutabani we Peter Tigambirwa bakakora omulimo omulungi okuteekaniza omuka na mbere tuli hano omubiri ogw'omugenzi gugenda kuba niguhumurwa hano kikobwa oba kitonozi kono kubaire kusaba okwa abooluganda bona hati abaana bona ahamu nabazira nabanywani b'omugenzi n'abooluganda abandi abeho okukwataniza harukireho nyineeka ow'amaka gano abaire n'amanya abantu bona aba buli nsonda hati yamalira n'ateekaho omukono n'owetibezeyinda Moses omuzira
2020 yitwa engando zigambirweho haiguru ntangira abantu inywena bazire okutubumba
tukola abantu bagenda bashina mujaga hano mwene bashina mujaga onasoma kyandiko kya mujege no haikyo kwa Yohana bali nyimo konywena kila bana
yitwa engando zigambirweho haiguru ntangira abantu inywena bazire okutubumba abo kuferwa omwana waitu kigambirwa Peter Atoki ayafiire kya mukaaga ebiro by'okwezi 11 gw'omusanju omwaka guno esaaha ene za nyenkya omu irwaro lya Masters Clinic Masindi obwomezi bwe omugenzi Tigambirwa akazaarwa ebiro by'okwezi 30 ogw'omusanju 1974 afeeriire abaire aikize emyaka 46 ey'obukulu akasomera Kabalega Primary School, Main Street Primary School Jinja, Masin Secondary School na Kabalega Secondary School ayamalire A-level. Akagenda Jinja ayosemire obwa lab technician. Akasomera Mountains of the Moon University Fort Portal aliyatungire degree mu environmental health science. Akolira mu irwaro nga laboratory focal person obwomezi bwe bwona bwekyo bwafiire ndwaro mwisiri aikene natalibanizibwa endwara y'omutima emmazire akasumi kayingi kurugira kimu omu buto alekera abaana aboojo n'abaisiki hamu n'abanywani okusiima abantu nywena abakijura hamu na hanu kikobwa abatwirukiriire mwabulire ebanatusibye
mwebale kulijja mwebale kumusiriza kandi
Songo bintu bana byo around turabageze ko nakora kitwejo mwezi wa Desemba.
advertise in the Richard Plus